Good morning and welcome back to Wood and Stuff. Well, it turns out our kitchen junk drawer was a little too junky, so let's see if we can rectify the situation. I thought I'd never find a use for any of this oak shoe rail I have laying around the shop, but it seems to be just about the right width for this project. In the front piece, I need to drill a pair of access holes in case the drawer pulls ever need to be changed or tightened. Otherwise, you can't get to the screws. I'll just eyeball it here. It doesn't need to be exact, it's just pretty close. Drill these a little larger than the screw heads.
So the eyeballing technique sucked, and the holes are not lined up with the screw heads. So I'm going to drill a little larger hole, all set a little higher up on the piece. So then it'll encompass the screw heads.
Now the holes line up with the screws. Oh, what a nice bit too. Wow. In order to install a divider running side to side, cut dadoes in each side piece. Cut your dadoes first, then cut the divider to fit. I've got two stops set up so that I can cut my dadoes to the exact right width and so that I can locate them at the exact same spot on each of the side pieces. I always err on the side of my dados being a little too tight. Then, if needed, I can shift one of my stops over just a little bit and increase the width of the dado. I realized that these other screws were preventing the front panel from sitting flush with the front of the drawer. I squeezed it with a clamp so that the screw heads can cause dents on the wood. That way I know where to drill. Okay, let's see if this is going to fit. Ah, very nice. Very, very nice. Most of the remaining dividers are shorter, and instead of connecting them with dados, I cut complementary pairs of notches using the bandsaw. I pre-drilled around the outside to accept nails during the glue up later on. Oh, Woody, I can use your assistance over here. Whoa, watch the fingers, dude. perfect fit. Oh yeah. Hey guys, on behalf of Woody and myself, have a wonderful day and thanks for watching.